This is the Triangle Cube 3 from Pelikan. It's a wood puzzle, and the whole point is to pack the pieces in here into this square frame. So there's two cutouts actually. There's a triangle cutout here. There's a triangle cutout here on the frame. And so there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's see if I can get these last ones out. 4 and 5 pieces. So inside this frame, so here, you see these? I think these are like an inch by inch cube. And so inside here, there's a 3 by 3 by 3 cube shape. Now, if you put the pieces together out here, let's just see what I can do here. Put it together there, and let's go there. And then, now we'll go there. So you create a cube, which is obviously this is not a cube, but let's say this piece goes right here. That means inside the cube here, when you fit it in, there's literally 3 cubes of dead space, which on a bird puzzle like this is insanely tight. For me, like some of these other puzzles, we've calculated them out, and there's 5, 6, 7 spaces of dead space inside that. For this puzzle to have 3 cubes of dead space inside of a 3 by 3 by 3, like that's nuts. So this is a level 8 puzzle. It has a lot of different orientations, I guess you can put stuff in out here, but there's only one that goes inside the cube or inside the box. And the crazy thing is that this puzzle has a rotation in there. So what that means is you'll be putting pieces in, and then you'll get a piece that won't go straight in and just move it'll have to like rotate inside the frame, which I'm assuming it'd be one of the smaller pieces. But that's nuts. In that smaller frame with that little bit of open space in there, there'd be rotation in this solution. So really crazy puzzle. It's from designer Osanori Yamamoto, and he does some fantastic puzzles. Petite Pack, one of my favorites. But this one Triangle Cube 3 looks very much like it's just going to be something fantastic again from him. And so I think it's actually 18 moves to get this puzzle apart as well, or get it back together, pack all the pieces in there. So yeah, that's the Triangle Cube 3 from Pelikan, available on puzzlemaster.ca.